calling all hot rod and muscle car enthusiasts. Our 21-circuit wiring harness is the ultimate upgrade for Chevy, Ford, and Moper vehicles. With 17 fuses, 21 circuits, and extra-long 17 to 20 feet wires, it powers everything from horns and headlights to power windows and AC. Why this harness is a must-have. Plug and play. No cutting or splicing, just connect and rev. Durable build. Flame-retardant ABS and copper wires resist heat and chemicals. Universal fit. Works for hot rods, rat rods, and classic Chrysler models. As a #1 Alibaba supplier with 4.9 ratings, we guarantee 100% testing before shipment. Our factory in Guangdong has 245 staff and 8 production lines, so whether you need 20 or 10,000 harnesses, we've got you covered, ready to transform your vehicle's electrical system. Request a sample or get a custom quote. Don't forget to follow us for more automotive wiring tips and exclusive offers.